What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with two things. I'm going to be talking to y'all about an update. I've been needing to get an update in. It's been a minute. And of course, I want to show you a new method that I do. And y'all know I'm not big on methods. I'm never big on methods, but this method is pretty cool. It's pretty dope. I like it. Shout out to the new waivers and shout out to the waivers that paved the way for this. But like I said, I'm going to show you that method, and I'm also going to give you an update to the waves. Stay tuned. All right, so of course, before we get started, I always want to make sure I let y'all know to always like, comment, and share the videos, man, because they're really important to the feedback that I get from you. It helps me understand what I need to do, what I don't need to do, what I need to add, what I need to take out, anything like that. So I always comment, regardless if it's positive or negative. Either way, it's good feedback for me. You feel me? So, and of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll continue to do videos, continue to do, tutorials and things to help you out. I got another video I'm going to be talking about maybe switching over to other brushes that's going to help your progress. I got another video I want to talk about overall progress on your waves, how to get the quicker progress, which a lot of people are really trying to do. And of course, I want to do another update video to my arsenal, like all the things that I got in my arsenal at the moment. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what this video is about. We're going to do an update, and we're going to talk about this method called the no knot method, the no tie knot or no knot method to your Durags. I actually am wearing a Durag right now. It's the Imperial Durag. Shout out to B-Web, of course, to getting me the Imperial Durags. I got so many of these things, and I bought each and every last one of them. Best Durags in the wave game right now. So shout out to him. Information always going to be in the description below. But let's go ahead and unrag. But before we unrag, I'm gonna let you see first. The no knot method that's shown in the Durag, and then I'm gonna come up out the Durag. We're gonna see the update and stuff like that, and I'm gonna put the Durag back on and show you how to actually do the no knot method. It's a little trick. It can be a little tricky, but overall it's pretty easy. So definitely gonna be on that. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and come up out the Durag now. That's just silky, guys. Like, come on, man. That's just a silky Durag right there. But as I come around, you should see that there's no knot in the back. There's not a knot in the back at all whatsoever. Kids outside right now playing, so you hear them probably in the video. But there's no knot back here at all. So we're gonna go over that here in a second when I'm done. We're gonna go over that in a minute. So let's get the update out the way. Let's get the update. Let's see what the wave's looking like, man. That's what you want to see. And it's so easy too when you come up out the Durags now, because all I gotta do is that. literally that. And the rag's undone. Whew. Let's get it, man. Let's see what I'm working with. Let's see what's going on. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay. Here we go. Okay. That was a little dark, so I wanted to brighten up my camera so you can see the actual waves. I saw that it was dark by looking in the mirror, so I was like, nah, let me brighten that up, because somebody gonna say something. They're gonna be like, yo, I couldn't even see your waves, man. It was too dark. It was too dark, bro. Come on around. See the right side. Right side looking good, y'all. Let me know. All right. So we're gonna come on to the back. The back looking like, hold on, wait, let me get down. Let me get down now. See what they're looking like. See. Can you see that? Can y'all see that, people? Just making sure. Oh yeah. We in there, man. Crown coming along pretty nice. I think so. Probably should have got closer to the camera, but whatever. It is what it is. And when you come around that side, oh yeah, that's my beastly side right there, man. You can't touch that. Just saying. Can't touch that right there. That's the B side. Woo! Oh yeah. We is in there. We are in there. Telling you. Come around one more time so you can see that. One more time. Ah. Woo, your boy been brushing, baby. Been brushing. That's all you need to know. I've been brushing. Oh yeah. All right, man. So that was pretty much the update. Now I still got some trouble areas that I'm working on. The back right is really looking good now, but I want to get the back area more defined. I want to get it more defined. So how I'm working on that, I'm gonna talk about that in a future video about how I'm getting the hair back there to be more defined and more definition, man. And getting those to line up pretty good. Right here in the area is my trouble area because my hair grows differently. So because my hair grows differently, I have to force those forks out to the hairline, which they're right there. And it's a pain, but I'm getting there. I'm getting it done. Once this is done, once that's done, the crown's gonna continue to get thicker, and that's gonna be pretty much it with the pattern. I'm pretty much right now, probably about 90% done with this pattern already. Is it going to be better than my 2016 waves? I'm not sure. My 2016 360s were pretty dope, but I'm going to make sure I try to get them back to that point. I'm going to try to get them back to that point. So pretty much. So without further ado, I'm going to put the Durags back on, and you're going to get to see the no tie knot challenge. I don't know the originator of this, but it was brought to my attention by a guy named Kareem Wiz. Kareem Wiz, I think that's his name. Matter of fact, let me just make sure. Let me see, Wiz. Kadeem, I'm sorry, my bad, bro. Kadeem Wiz Jones. Shout out to Kadeem Wiz Jones, man. You actually brought something to my attention about my back waves. Now, a lot of people think that this is not beneficial by not tying the knot in the back of your do-rag. For me, for my waves, my hair moves easily just with a slight shift because I have medium texture hair. So my waves can easily get messed up with any type of movement. One of the issues that I struggle with throughout, time over the years is tying my do-rags in the back. And when I'm moving my head any type of way or whatever like that, the strings will push up in the back a little bit, causing that little small shift in the lower back part of my waves. So I never could really get the back waves on point like I want to with mine. So typically what I would do was I would either not tie it in a knot and just put a stocking cap over it as the security, and then another cap over that as the I guess the main, secureness of the do-rags, and then like flip it to the back. I got a video where I talk about many ways to tie your do-rag, which is pretty cool. I do all those ways, but I still always felt like I was messing something up, you know? But you know me, I'm not one of those people that are all for methods, but this was a cool method, man. And I appreciate it for you bringing it to my attention. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do now, y'all gonna see me do this no knot challenge. If the camera gets blurry, I do apologize. I do have an old 50 millimeter camera that really doesn't have a stabilizer in it. So gotta work on that. But it's a dope lens to have, as you can see. It's very crystal clear. So let's go ahead and put on the durag, shall we? So first, we're gonna go ahead and lay that on there perfectly in the middle, like so. Make sure it's secured down. Make sure the flap's down in the back. All right, so I'm gonna turn around so you can see this first one go around here. I'm gonna be turning around a lot. So what I'm gonna do is take both of these. I'm gonna hold this one here. I'm gonna hold this one, and then I'm gonna take my left hand and I'm going to go around to the front. I'm gonna go around to the front, trying to keep the string wide, just keeping it wide. I'm gonna hold that right there to keep it secured so I can pull this down, so I can get it all straight and, you know, evened out and stuff like that. Now what I'm doing right now is making sure that the string is completely open. I'm making sure the strings are open in the back and in the front. See that? So we good. We good right there. Everything's good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this string right here, and I'm going to continuously go around and make it and hold it tight right here. I'm gonna hold it tight right here on the side. I'm gonna take, as you can see this, I'm gonna take the string that's hanging right here. I'm just gonna flip it up. Just flip it up right there. Ah, I lost it. Hold on, I got it. There we go. I'm gonna flip it up right here and go on around. And the reason why I was able to let go, was because I was holding the other string right there, and then when I flipped around, it keeps that one in place. So now I could just go around like so. You see that? You see that? It's pretty simple. And that's pretty much it. Now you see, you still got this right here. You still got this sitting right here. All you need to do is find one of the flaps and just stick it under. You just find one of the flaps and you stick that little piece under. And make sure you're good. Don't pour too much. And you good. Simple as that. And as you can see in the back, get closer. We done. You have no knot in the back. Easy, people. This is really easy, and it's really beneficial to, I believe, back waves. Just saying. I would highly recommend people to do this if you have issues with your back waves and tying that knot. It makes sure that you don't. It'll make sure that basically you don't have to worry about your durags being too tight, anything like that, to secure it down. Because when you go to bed, with all the movement in the bed and stuff like that, that may come unsecured. So what you want to do is make sure you put a cap over it. Just saying. So me personally, I just put any type of stocking cap, any type of cap over. And we in there. This will secure that strap. It secures the durag down. Double compression. Boom. We done. That's all you pretty much need. Simple as that, right? So with that being said, man, that's pretty much the video. I'm glad y'all was able to come and join me on this one. I should be doing another update here soon. I got to do some more giveaways because I got to get rid of a lot of brushes. and some more Durags that I don't use anymore. Again, like I said in the beginning, make sure you comment, like, and share the video, and also make sure you subscribe to your boy's channel. More videos on the way. It's your boy HB. 3, I'm out of here.